In this video, we will learn how you can fix notification issues for WhatsApp Web.
If you're using WhatsApp web on your computer, you are syncing your WhatsApp with your computer and using it inside a browser, and you're not getting notifications, here is what you can do. You can go to this lock icon in the address bar and click on it. You will find this notification is disabled. Maybe you have done it and you don't remember, or maybe it was done by mistake. It is turned off, so you can toggle this button to enable. And if for some reason it is not appearing here, what you can do is you can click on site settings if notification does not appear there. When you open site settings, it will have the permission section, and this website, the WhatsApp web, has the permissions. All these permissions are inside the browser. It tells you that whether this website has the permissions to use these things by your browser or not. For example, location, camera, microphone, all is set to ask, and notification is allowed here. Since I enabled that toggle button, it is allowed here. But if for some reason it doesn't say it is not allowed, or ask, default, or block, most probably it will be blocked because you're not getting notifications. So you can either allow it or you can reset permissions. This will reset everything, and the next time you reload or open your WhatsApp web inside the browser, the chances are you will get some kind of pop-up from WhatsApp itself telling you that the notifications are not enabled and you need to enable them. Let me reload WhatsApp web, and now it is not showing me any kind of pop-up. Usually it will show a pop-up that will say that you need to enable the notification, but it is not showing. You can again go to the lock icon, click on it, and again click on site settings. You can see notification is asked by default. You have to allow it. Once you allow it and then you go back, reload your WhatsApp, now the chances are high that you will start getting notifications. You can check your notification is enabled. This is disabled, this is enabled. And alternatively, you can also download WhatsApp for a computer. It is available for all the platforms, Mac and Windows, and it is independently of the browser. So if you disable or enable anything in your browser, it doesn't have anything to do with WhatsApp. It will still run. And also there is a new update from WhatsApp itself that you can independently use WhatsApp on your computer even if you're not using WhatsApp on your mobile phone. I hope this solves your problem. Keep reading techdiva.com to make your tech life easy.